Hey Jacksonville, it's Pierce Sneed with MarineMax. I have a nice little boat to share with you guys today. It's the 19 SPX Outboard from Sea Ray. This is the brand new 2025, comes absolutely loaded with features. And starting towards the back here, I want to highlight it's 150 horsepower, 4-stroke Mercury that powers this vessel. It's plenty of power. You're going to be able to bring up to 10 passengers with you on this boat. Nice sea deck. You can't really see it from that angle, but you could also see it beneath my feet. It's a nice sea deck padding towards the aft of the boat here and on the platform. That way when you're getting in and out of the water, it's nice and cushy, won't overheat as well. Really good size sun pad for a 19-foot boat that Sea Ray puts into here. You do get a nice, really large storage option as well. Big enough for tubes, floats, life jackets. That's going to be your largest storage point on the boat. As I make my way through, you get a nice little doggy or kitty gate here as well to keep the cockpit secure while you're in motion or even at a stop. They do two different layouts with the SPX. I call this one the L shape, where instead of the two bucket seats, you have a nice, it really kind of creates more seating in the boat with this option. Kind of in an L-shaped formation, but reversible seat here. That way you do have two forward-facing seats here in the cockpit, or you can flip that seat back and then you have really nice L-shaped area. So I make my way to the helm. You'll see this boat. It does have an upgraded entertainment package, meaning it's going to have the larger subwoofer, more powerful speakers, all utilized by the Fusion stereo. Also non-standard for these SPXs is the Simrad chart plotter display here. You're going to be able to see topography and kind of play around with, your Mercury gauges, things like that while you're underway. Also, really nice, convenient, clearly labeled control panel here, where you do get some accent lighting on this boat. Kind of highlights the cup holders and some of the trim of the cockpit. That way when you are doing those sunset rides, really creates a nice ambient glow in the boat. You're going to have more storage in the walk-through here towards the bow. And then in the bow, you're also still getting a good amount of speed, enough for two people to lay out. You have cup holders, handles, really nice finishing with the seats on this boat. Sea Ray's really stepped up the stitching and kind of the quality of the interior in their boats in recent years. Really exciting stuff on the Sea Ray this 2025. If anybody had any extra questions regarding this boat, you can feel free to reach me at my cell. It's going to be 904-707-1023.